Hello everybody, Jordan the Computer Scientist here, and today I am recording for the second time. So, right here, you will see a program that I just took an hour to record. Now, I know what you're thinking. How in the world did this take you an hour? It's only 39 lines of code. There's no way this took you an hour. It's not even 39. I have a whole bunch of space in between them, so it was way less than 39. But why did it take me so long? I got stuck on like logical errors and syntax errors and all these errors. They just kept happening. It was crazy, right? It took me an hour long. I was about to edit through the video, but then I realized I don't feel like doing that. So I'm going to re-record because I feel like I can get it to work now. So I'm going to do a brief explanation of what I've done in that hour. Okay, so I had the idea to create a number guessing generator. So basically you'll be playing the computer, guessing the numbers that the computer is thinking of, and if you get it right, it's just going to be like, you won. And then at the end, it's going to say you won this amount of times within the last 10 tries. And it prints it out, as you can see on the side over here. So I had to import my scanner util and my random util. Then I had to make objects out of those, which is right here. And then right here is where I declared 3 int variables. I have person, which is going to be the number that you choose. Then I have computer, which is going to be the number that the computer chooses, and then I have wins, which is the number of wins. Now I have to add something else because I want the program to loop every time it runs 10 times. So I think I found a way, but I'm going to finish explaining this first. So I have a for loop right here. So for I equals 1 and I is less than 10, add 1 to I, and that's going to be the amount of times that the program runs. Say out to the camera, everybody. This is my kitten Galaxy. I love her so much. So now computer is going to equal a random number. I have +1 at the end because if I didn't, it's going to start at 0, and I don't want you to be guessing 0 or guessing 10 and it's going to be 9. It's never going to actually hit 10. So I have +1, so it's 1 through 10. Right here I'm going to add 1 through 10 just to clarify. Humans also don't know. They're just like computers. You have to tell them exactly what to do. They'll do something else. Person is going to equal your input, 1 through 10. Remember that. Then I was thinking of, the computer's going to be like, I was thinking of this number. And then it's going to say, if person is equal to computer, print you have won. Wins equals +1 or plus. Then it's going to print out you have won this many times after it's ran 10 times off the bike. So in order for me to get this looping constantly, I'm going to add a new int. Not looping constantly, but as many times as the user will like to play the game. I'm going to name it int rounds, and I'm going to ask the user, how many times do you want to play? Right? Now, this is where the user chooses the number of times where they want to play. So it'll be rounds equals user input dot next int. Now, we're going to do a while loop. Okay, this is going to get a little confusing. So I'm going to add another int variable called round. Now round is just the round. Rounds with an S is the number of rounds. So here, in my while loop, I'm going to have while round is less than rounds. Let me equal this to 0. So while round is less than rounds, we're going to run this for loop, right? Now let's see what happens, okay? How many rounds do you want to play? 2. Guess what number I'm thinking of from 1 to 10? I'm just going to choose 5 the entire time because I will win, hopefully, if everything goes right. Okay, so this is what happened the last time. It kept looping, and it just wouldn't stop. I wanted it to do it 10 times. Okay, now while I look at my code, I see that it's not doing round plus plus. So I have to do round plus plus in order for round to eventually be more than, no, that's not where I want it to be at though. Now I have to add round plus plus in order for round to eventually be more than rounds. So 1 round is 10 times, 2 rounds is 20 times. You get it, you understand. Oh wait, I forgot. So I'm gonna run the code again. How many times do you wanna play? 2. Guess what number I'm thinking of? I'm gonna hit 5 and just keep going. Hopefully I hit a couple times. I didn't win it all. But right here, it should loop again. So I'm gonna take round and put it outside of the for loop and still inside of the while loop. Hopefully this time it works. Wait, I think it worked. I think it worked. Oh, okay, it definitely worked. So, if you look, you'll see that it runs and then it prints 1. This is the round 1, and then it prints 2. So, instead of me printing round 1, I'm going to print you have won however many times you've won times in round. It feels so weird talking like this. But this time when I run it, it's gonna say how many games do you want to play? 2. Guess the numbers. I'm gonna keep picking 5 because hopefully I will win at least once. It says you have won 0 times in round 1. Guess what number I'm thinking? Because you keep going. You want to play 2 rounds. Okay, I won at least once this time. Okay. Here we go. And you won one time in round 2. It's crazy how I recorded an entire hour of me figuring out how to do this. And it wasn't even hard. I got stuck, guys. Stuck on something so simple. And this just goes to show you, you shouldn't give up. You should keep trying. Keep on trying. We're gonna do this one day, guys. We're gonna get this computer science degree. We're gonna make this bag, bro. I borrowed. Now, I want you guys to enjoy the rest of your day. Like, comment, subscribe, smash the like button, smash it, like really hit it. Like take a hammer, you know what? Take a car, run over the like button. Just really destroy just really destroy the like button. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and screw it. Even stream my music on Apple Music. You know, we're living one time, okay? I'll see you guys on Friday. Thank you.